Hello, we are in beautiful Zambia at our beautiful ZimWorX facility. And we got Christina working at our front and she is amazing. How are you?
Well,
That's our Dopey, our director of first impressions. But come on, because we want to show you some other things we have. We have an amazing facility that we're going to be expanding even more. Initially, we have 175 workstations, so we want to show you just a little bit about what we're doing here in Zambia. So this is our first section. You will see as we come in to our initial phase, this was our phase one of, I guess, A of phase one, and you can see we have approximately about 85 workstations on here. We're gonna have about another 100 on the other side, but you get an opportunity. Look, there's our COO working hard, Mr. Rick Johnson. And important is our core values. And we are expanding as well into our called phase 1B. And this is where one of our large clients will have all of their team members. We'll do some special logos, some branding, so that they will have an environment that is dedicated to them. So we couldn't be more excited about Zambia. We'll be having 175 by year end and about 400 by the end of Q2. This is just another example of how our win-win-win and the 51 is at work here in Zambia. God bless.